So guys, I am doing the 5.1 sound testing in this video. Watch the video till the end so that you get a clear idea how the 5.1 sound system work with your TV. So I am testing the front channel, the left one and right one. The main priority of these two channels is the vocal priority. So I am playing a clip and you can check the sound.
Huh? What?
Now.
Who are you? Oh my God.
You're Spencer's grandfather.
Are we in Florida?
And you?
My little boy.
So we are now checking the back channel or the rear channel. The main priority of these two channels is the background sound effect or the cinematic sound effect. And finally, we are checking the central speaker. The main priority of this channel is the bass sound effect. So let's check.
All in the wonderful game that we know as love.
So guys, I hope you got a clear idea how the 5.1 channel sound system is work with your TV. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to share with your beloved people. Thank you for watching Utopian Days.